Hello friends, welcome to Student Impulse. First of all, thanks for being in my YouTube channel. We will discuss various job openings in Mangaluru today. This is a job opening at Trionics Global. Job role is graphic designer. Experience required not disclosed. Salary also not disclosed. Qualifications required graduation. Skills required Adobe Photoshop, Flash, Illustrator, After Effects. Job description: development of graphics or media, UI, graphics, illustrations, and animations, and ensuring the quality levels. Create and maintain graphic standards, guidelines, and checklist for the project. Interacting with the communications consultants, instructional designers, and creative writers for visualization of the graphics. Audio and video editing. Develop reusable assets like graphics, icons, clip arts. I have provided the official email ID and website link, phone numbers, address details here. Next, there is a job openings at Dia Systems, a subsidiary of Glowtouch Technologies. They have openings for automation QA analyst. Experience required 4 years. Salary is not disclosed. Qualifications graduates and above. Skills required QA methodologies, QA automation tools like Selenium or Cypress.io or Robot Framework, manual testing, creating test documents like test plans, test cases, automation frameworks, excellent oral and written communication skills. Job description: automating the test cases using automation tools or scripts, partner with the team to work to manual test efforts when required, develop, maintain, and execute test cases and test plans, translate functional and technical requirements into test cases, identify usability issues and functional deficiencies, enter bugs into a defect tracking tool and verify bug fixes, interact with clients and update progress to team and managers on daily basis. I have provided official email ID and website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Lycora Consulting Services Private Limited. They have opening for administrative support executive. Experience required 2 to 3 years of relevant experience. Salary is not disclosed. Qualifications: bachelor's degree in any discipline with strong academic credentials. Skills required: strong organizational skills, team player, expert level communication skills, both verbal and written. Familiarity with technology, latest gadgets, proficiency in computer skills. Job description: end-to-end office operations, including managing the front desk and reception, attend to business delegates, clients, and office visitors, performs a broad variety of clerical and administrative functions for the MD and directors, including ticketing and travel schedules, assists in coordinating agenda and preparations for client visits, staff meetings and offsites, manage conference room, pantry and all office inventory, conducts and assists in all office events and get-togethers. I have provided the official email ID and website link and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Trionics Global. They have opening for digital marketing specialist. Experience required: 3 years of experience in managing digital marketing campaigns. Salary not disclosed. Qualifications: graduation. Skills required: expert digital advertising, lead generation, and website optimization knowledge. Job description: help develop and oversee marketing strategies for projects including company websites, blogs, social media, email marketing, and inbound marketing strategies. Work closely with client servicing and sales team on program development and implementation digital marketing campaigns to our clients. Train digital marketing students or professionals and help them to get certified. Create and execute lead generation programs. Analyze data to determine campaign efficiency. Ensure creative marketing materials undergo regular review and adhere to brand guidelines. Research and make recommendations for new and innovative digital tactics. Manage all email marketing campaigns with our email marketing platform. Develop and deploy marketing campaigns, A/B tests, lead nurturing campaigns, and lead generation initiatives. I have provided the official email ID, website link, address details here. Next, there is a job opening at National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal. They have opening for junior or senior research fellow. Experience required: 2 years for senior research fellow. For junior research fellow, there is no experience required. For junior research fellow, 28 years is maximum age, and for senior research fellow, 30 years is maximum age. Salary 31,000 per month for junior research fellow, 35,000 per month for senior research fellow. Qualifications MTech or ME in mechatronics or thermal engineering or electronics or electrical and allied areas with a minimum 60% aggregate score, 6.5 out of 10 CGPA. Candidate must have qualified gate examination. Old gate score is also considered. Proof of MTech or ME certificate has to be provided during the time of interview. Skills required: a good understanding of electronic circuit design, frequency generator, controllers, programming skill, COMSOL multi-physics software, ability to work in a team, good communication skills, and experience in experimental research for fabrication of setup. Job description. Title of the project: Development of cost-effective radio frequency ablation system and magnetic hypothermia equipment thermal therapies of cancerous tumors. I have provided the official email ID and phone number and address details here. Next, there is a job opening at Chaspro Technologies. They have opening for mobile application developer. Experience and salary not disclosed. Qualifications required: graduation or post graduation. Skills required: JavaScript, HTML, Android, jQuery, web technologies, web services, Bootstrap, AngularJS. Experience on building apps in native Android and iOS. Job description: in-depth understanding of web technologies including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap. Experience in implementing web applications and web services in .NET Java technologies is a plus. Experience with AngularJS expressions, filters, scope, forms. Ability to work and think independently as well as part of a team. Ability to design UI independently based on current trends. Excellent communication skills to work with business users in understanding requirements and suggesting solutions. I have provided the official email ID, website link, address details here. There is a job openings at Webtel India. They have openings for data entry operators. Minimum speed required 30 words per minute. You can attend the interview at the given address. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on phone number. Next, there is a job openings for Sacred Heart institutions. They have openings for computer teachers. This is only for female. I have provided the website link and address details here and you can contact on the given phone number. Next, there is a job openings for proficient coaching classes. They have openings for lecturers, full-time or part-time, for the below subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, biology. You can contact on the given phone number or you can share your resume at the given email ID. I have provided the address details here also. Next, there is a job opening at Kia Motors Authorized Dealership, ARM Kia. They have openings for various positions for Mangalore and Udupi locations. For Mangalore, TL Sales, Kia Experience Consultant, Finance Executive, Evaluator, RTO Coordinator, Insurance Executive, System Admin, Senior Accounts Executive, Senior Painter, Spare Parts Manager. And for Udupi location, Kia Experience Consultant, Finance Executive, Evaluator. You can check the experience and qualifications required, and few are for the male and female and few are only for male. You can check here for everything and you can share your resume hr@armkia.com and you can contact on the given address or on the phone numbers. There is job opening for Axer Paints. They wanted sales executive for Mangalore, Coorg, Udupi locations. Fresher or experienced, maximum 3 years, only for male candidate. Qualification any degree. Two-wheeler is must for this. You can share your resume at mangalore@agsar.com. That's it for today guys. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel for more updates. If you have any questions or queries, please ask in comments.